2. And we're going to come to standing, and we're going to do something similar to what we did for part 1, where we're moving the hips, but now we're going to work in a fuller rotation. So if you come up and spread your feet, shoulder width apart again, and have your hands interlaced except your index finger, and we start a slow rotation. We'll go out to the left. At first, don't try to make the circle so big. Get used to the action. Again, eyes open or closed so that you can keep your balance well. So if you can do that with the eyes closed, it's great. If you need to have your eyes open, that's fine as well. Be aware that if you feel a little dizzy, it's not just because you're making circles, it's also because it's helping the liver to detoxify. So let's help that process by starting to breathe in and out through the mouth. Purse your lips as though you're whistling, and see the energy spiraling in through the joints of your body, through the fingers, through the wrists, through the elbows. Big circles now. And slowly start going in the other direction. Very good. And come to sit. Just put your legs out on your hands back and just push your chest and your stomach forward. Just relaxing for a moment. Come across your legs. And we're going to do this meditation for the parasympathetic nervous system. So you can read more about that in the notes. You're going to do a 60-degree angle with your arms. So 60 degrees with your arms, and then 60 degrees with your hands in relation to your forearms. Fingers are together, and you come this way. And we're going to do 3 minutes with a long deep breath. So, long, slow inhale, long as you can make it. Long, slow exhale, long as you can make it. Close the eyes. Focus to the tip of the nose again. Okay, good. into the hands. The arms up at 60 degrees. Breath long and deep. And exhaling. Come to your next inhale and hold your breath. And exhale and relax your palms in your lap. Satnam.